द टीचिंग स्टूडियो में आपका स्वागत है। इसमें हम बात करेंगे एचटेट पीजीटी कंप्यूटर साइंस मॉक टेस्ट 3 के सॉल्यूशन और रैंक लिस्ट के बारे में। अगर आप चैनल पे पहली बार है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। बिना देरी के हम वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। तो दोस्तों इसमें पहला क्वेश्चन था, डैश इज अ वेरी फेमस satirist who initially told all his jokes in pure Haryanvi and most of his jokes were have their origin in the rural culture of Haryana। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सुरेंद्र शर्मा। फिर है द स्टेट ऑफ हरियाणा इज बाउंडेड बाय डैश इन द ईस्ट, तो यमुना रिवर। फिर है वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इन हरियाणा कम अंडर द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ डैश फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट। फिर वेयर इज बायोस यूज लोडिंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। Which of the following shortcut is used to undo typed content in Notepad Ctrl+Z? What number should come next? इसका correct answer 34. What does dir command in MS-DOS do? It locates file. 8th question, if you have to select the font, which shortcut key combination will you use? Ctrl+D. How many times do you need to click on a certain point to select a whole paragraph? तो इसमें ट्रिपल क्लिक। फिर what is the process of utilizing communication and computing technologies to transfer the data called data communication? फिर when files and servers of multiple clients are hosted on a single server, it is called the cloud computing. Static web page is designed with the use of HTML. Which language is good at processing numeric data? Fortran. What is cyber security, also known as information technology security? What do you understand by EDI? Electronic data interchange. फिर which kind of virus detection uses algorithm? फिर heuristic. Which of the following is private IP address 192.168.24.43? Where is a hub specified in the OSI model, the physical layer? 19th question, by default how many days does vSphere keep information about tasks and events? 30. A 4-byte IP address consists of network addresses and host addresses. Where TCP/IP model was developed, the OSI model prior to. What is the run level to halt shut down the Unix system? Init 0. 2's complement of binary number 0101 is 1011. 24th, which characteristic of IC in digital circuits represent a function of the switching time of a particular transistor with propagation delay? Which gate is called the anti-coincidence and coincidence gate? तो है XOR and XNOR. The representation of octal number 532.2 base 8 in decimal is 346.25 base 10. In serial shifting method, data shifting occurs one bit at a time. EA bit is used to enable or disable all the interrupts. FPGA stands for Field Programmable Gate Array. फिर हरियाणा के लगभग कितने प्रतिशत भाग पर नलकूपों द्वारा सिंचाई की जाती है? 51.12%। फिर हरियाणा राज्य की प्रमुख व्यावसायिक फसलें हैं गन्ना व कपास। बूढ़िया का रंग महल कहाँ स्थित है? यमुनानगर। फिर डैश इज द सिनोनिम ऑफ बिगट्री बायस। फिर choose the correct option that best expresses a relationship similar to that expressed in the original pair. Arc, circle, line का है rectangle. Find the next number. इसका correct answer 1/8. 36th question, code which is capable of copying itself and corrupt the computer system or destroy the data is called as computer virus. What device is used to extend the range and strength of a weak signal repeater? Gaining access to unauthorized data is known as hacking. Which of the following is object-oriented programming language? C++. Which of the following is used to define a block of code in Python language? The indentation. 41. What is the full form of IIoT? The Industrial Internet of Things. Which layer is used for wireless connection in IoT devices? The data link layer. Which of the following can be used as a parallel to series converter? The multiplexer. 44. Which stack is used in 8085 microprocessor? The LIFO. An entity set that does not have sufficient attributes to form a primary key is a weak entity set. 46. The language used in application programs to request data from the DBMS is referred to as the DML. The way a particular application views the data from the database that the application uses is a subschema. It is possible to define a schema completely using DDL and DML. The result of the union operation between R1 and R2 is a relation that includes all the tuples of R1 and R2 which have common columns. Last question, 5th. Which of the following database object does not physically exist with view? तो ये था मॉक टेस्ट 3। इसमें आप लोगों का काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स रहा और काफ़ी लोगों के काफ़ी अच्छे मार्क्स भी आए। तो अब आपको जल्दी मॉक टेस्ट 4 भी देखने को मिलेगा। तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेलीग्राम चैनल पे और आप यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, आपको जल्दी अपडेट दे दी जाएगी। तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।